Now, but mina, I just don't like umaskandi. Ufanele umaskandi. Umfanele umaskandi.
So bona siswami uyaphila?
Yeah, ngiyaphila njani.
Sikhona nathi still nobani namhlanje.
Nosi, but on Instagram it's nosipo_shangiwan.
Okay. I've just got a few questions for you. Would you rather date a broke guy, but loyal, or a rich guy but very toxic?
A rich guy and very toxic.
Why?
Imali, bro, come on. Imali.
So nina anandaba ne-loyalty.
No, I don't give a fuck. I just don't give a damn, bro.
Noma ngachitha, noma ngangabuya, noma ngamithisa.
If he's just gonna give me money, yeah, I don't care.
Okay, baby.
Last one, yiphi i-red flag ohlezi uyibona kwabafana kodwa abafana bona bangaboni ukuthi i-red flag?
Listen, comrades.
Abafana balalela umaskandi. That literally sucks. Umaskandi is not my thing, but other people abanankinga now. But mina, I just don't like umaskandi. Ufanele umaskandi. Umfanele umaskandi sucks. To me, I don't care ukuthi abantu bathini, but to me, umfanele umaskandi sucks.